In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an ad credit. Let's walk through this simple process together, ensuring you can make the most of your advertising opportunities with these valuable credits. So, whether you're new to advertising or just need a quick refresher, we'll cover each step clearly and thoroughly so you can follow along without any hiccups. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your payment settings. These settings are typically found in your account's financial or billing section. Locating this area might vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, whether it's for social media advertising, a search engine, or another service. But rest assured, it's usually accessible from your main account dashboard. Getting to know your payment settings is a good first step because this is where you'll manage all your financial and billing information. Once you're in the payment settings, you'll see a section labeled Payment Methods. This is where all your currently active payment methods are listed, such as credit cards and bank accounts. You will want to look for the option that allows you to add a new payment method. When you find it, go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your location and currency. Now, why is this important? Well, selecting the correct location and currency ensures that your advertising expenses and ad credits are managed in the format and currency most applicable to you. It means smoother transactions and avoids any issues with currency conversion rates or regional restrictions. Once you've made your selection, click Save to confirm your choices. Next, you'll arrive at a section where you can add new payment details. Here, you'll see several options, and one of these will be labeled as Add Credit. This is the selection you'll want to make. Selecting Add Credit is your indication to the system that you're ready to redeem that special offer or promo code you have. Once you've chosen Add Credit, click the Next button to move forward. Now, you will need to enter the 16-digit alphanumeric code that represents your ad credit. It's essential to double-check this code for accuracy because it's what allows the system to recognize and apply your credit. Carefully input these numbers and letters and double-check to ensure you've entered them correctly without any mistakes. Once you're confident everything is correct, click the Claim button. And just like that, your ad credit is redeemed. You're now ready to start advertising with some extra credit added due to your successful redemption. Whether it boosts your current campaigns or helps you experiment with new ones, using your ad credit wisely can be a powerful tool in achieving your marketing goals. Thanks for joining me to learn this simple yet important process. Happy advertising!